Hey guys, what's up? So I am making this video after a long time. There are two main reasons for this. I am lazy and I have a really slow computer, so it's really difficult to do video editing on it. So I have finally decided to upgrade my computer and get a desktop. I am planning to assemble it on my own and I am really excited. This is the first computer I will be building myself, so let's see how it goes. I will put up my experience of building a PC on my own, so if anyone wants to learn from it, they can. I have ordered the following components for my build: Ryzen 5 2400G processor, Asus Prime B350MA motherboard, Corsair Spec 3 cabinet, G-Skills Ripjaw 5 16GB RAM, Seagate Barracuda hard disk 1TB, Kingston 120GB SSD, Corsair CX430M SMPS, and a Cooler Master 410R CPU cooler. It took me a really long time to finally select these parts. I had little idea about some of these parts, so I had to do a lot of research and reading. However, the more I researched, the more confusing it became. I took the help of online communities like Reddit and ThinkDigit to finally choose all the components. I purchased the RAM from Prime ABGB and rest of the components from MD Computers, as they were cheaper as compared to Flipkart and Amazon. The order will arrive in the next few days, and then I will do an unboxing and step-by-step video on how to build a PC. So stay tuned guys for the next video.